Getting started with HeroWare. Step 2. By now you've received your Hero Defender and it's time for the initial setup. Next, in your Hero Defender initial setup, it's important to create a unique service account for HeroWare management. So for example, create a user named HeroAdmin with the password HeroWare123 with a capital H. This will help in support management as well as our remote monitoring and management so that HeroWare can get access and help you in any support situation. So this user, this unique service account, should be a domain admin. So you could go into your domain administration, create a new user, HeroAdmin with the password HeroWare123 with a capital H, and make that HeroAdmin a domain admin. Next, when you install the Hero Defender in the next section, in step 2, you're going to want to install the Hero Defender DoubleTake agent using this account on each production server. That way, this unique service account with its administrative rights will handle all the management of the Hero Defender DoubleTake real-time replication, giving access across the network. If you've already installed these agents, you could then secondarily go into each production machine and make sure you put the HeroAdmin in the DoubleTake admin group on each production server and your Hero Defender. So to summarize, you want the HeroAdmin in the DoubleTake admin group on each production server you're protecting and in the DoubleTake admin group on your Hero Defender. When you install the agent, it creates this DoubleTake admin group. So thereby, if you install it using HeroAdmin, you will have automatically put that HeroAdmin account in the DoubleTake admins group. If you've already installed it, please go back and put the HeroAdmin in the DoubleTake admin group on each machine. First, plug in your Hero Defender to power and to the network. Next, attach a keyboard, mouse, and monitor. Set your Hero Defender to a static IP address. Next, confirm your Hero Defender has internet access. Give your Hero Defender a unique and end-user specific name, such as ABC-Defender or ABC Company-Defender. Next, please join the domain. And lastly, for the initial setup section, install the Hero Defender agent on the production servers you wish to be protected. So let's walk through the 7 steps from the last slide. Number 1, plug in your Hero Defender to power and to the network. Next, attach a keyboard, mouse, and monitor. Once you've done those things, you're at the main screen of your Hero Defender. Step 3, set your Hero Defender to a static IP address. Open your Network Center, change the adapter settings, go to your adapter, click Properties, next IP version 4, and your Hero Defender ships with DHCP. Please set a static IP address for your Hero Defender. Set your default gateway. Set your preferred DNS. And set your alternate DNS. And enter. So now you have a static IP address. If you click on details, you show your static IP address with your default gateways and your default DNS servers. The next step is to confirm that your Hero Defender has internet access. You can open up a browser window and be sure that you can get to the outside world. And yes, you can. Next, give your Hero Defender a unique and end-user specific name. So right-clicking on Computer, going to Properties, then clicking Change Settings will allow you to create a unique name. So computer description, I've created my unique name there in the computer description as well, ABC-Defender. I want to know the end user's name here, because when you're using our remote management and monitoring tool, you're going to want to know by the view which Defender is for which company. So giving it a unique name and an end user specific name is important here. And that really matters here in the actual computer name, changing it to ABC-Defender or company name-Defender. Also, next, step 6, join your Hero Defender to the domain. So I'm going to click on Domain, join the hero.local domain, and set OK. Enter my password for my domain administrator, an account that has permissions to join a machine to the domain. Welcome to the Hero domain, and we're going to need to restart. However, I'm going to restart later so we can finish this section. Last step in the initial setup is installing the Hero Defender agent on production servers to be protected. So on your C drive is a folder called HeroWare, and in that folder is a HeroDT_5.3.1.612.1. This is the installation program for your Hero Defender. I'm going to show you how it installs here on the Defender, but by default it's already installed on your Defender. You're going to want to copy this executable to your production machines and run this install. So we'll double click it and run, then click Setup. After setup is completed, it will open the installation window. You click on Hero Defender, then you click on HeroWare powered by DoubleTake. This will open up the DoubleTake Install Shield Wizard, and we will continue on with the install. First off, please check No. We are not going to check for an updated version. Accept the license agreement. You want to select server components only for your install on your production machine. Server components only. The default install path is here. You can change that if you'd like. Click Next. Next, you'll need to enter an activation code. That activation code has been emailed to you from HeroWare. I'm going to add an evaluation code in here for now. I've copied it and I'm just pasting it in and select Add. Then click Next. The next screen is the maximum system memory, the amount of memory to use for the queue. By default it comes up as a gigabyte. That seems to be a standard, very nice running size. Next, we want to enable the disk queue, which allows us to spill over from RAM to disk should there be any latency greater than what RAM can handle. So in here, the defaults are all standard. I'd like you to change the minimum free disk to 1,000 megabytes, a gig, and I'd also like you to move the queue folder from the C drive over to the D drive and just label it queue. Then click Next. This will create security groups on each machine: double-take admin, double-take monitors, double-take recall. The double-take admin group is the most important here. You're going to want to create a domain admin with a unique name and use that admin account to install all the software and also to manage the system. And make sure that that admin account is in the double-take admin group on each production machine. Click Next, Next, and Install. Next, we can confirm the firewall exceptions, the steps we talked about in step 1 of the initial setup of getting started. So accept that and let those exceptions be created in the Windows firewall. When the installation is completed, click Finish. Now we can restart our machine. Next, please move to step 3.